They must have the Wi-Fi password. Eh? Ladies and gentlemen, holiday in Jamaica, Montego Bay. When you come to Jamaica, make it possible. Montego Bay Holiday Inn. Very nice and relaxing for the family. Lovely. All sorts of little activity. See that? Listen, let's save up on a little money and get a little partner draw and call live life. Life short. You understand me? What you can do today? Don't wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow is no promise. You hear that? But up here nice, do you know? I not lie, one of the nicest hotel at Jamaica. Really nice. The room them nice. Them in a queen, some in a must VIP for the queen. Miss Queenie G, I'm have a couple of OGs with me this week in London, girl, with you. Hi. You like Jamaica? Eh? Where's the London? Come London. It's Queenie G. I'm have a couple of OGs with me. This beat in the London girl, they see in me. 5 kids only perceive in me. People look and believe in me. I fit up on my frequency. Stop with all the indecency. True, everything turned mad recently. I'm glad after experience 50-year-old still there, still full of chat.
No, to get back.
You don't even remember that. 50-year-old still there, road still full of chat, now take it back. Hot for pussy girl, still forget that. So you know everything can go on. I mean, but to war with the deep after here. Seriously, never, crazy. Ace, close the front door. I scouted with ears, with Riley. So where Roger is?
I think Riley's by himself. Roger the next door with Dad. Let what number you guys?
I want to live.
Just the right next door.
I want to live.
Up on them balcony.
Pan phone up, I'm going to invade them privacy. Light it for me. What you? You can open it, SK. Just switch this baby. Madman. You spin it?
Spin?
Yeah, you have to mind your finger, Escada. London! Let London do it. Nice! What am I when they about for truth? Holiday in for the kids. Yeah. She can't open it. Alright, gonna fuck off. Is that right, Landa? Make it safe, baby, though. No, she can't open it.
No. Wait.
Let me fix their shorts for you.
No, you don't like them.
Come on, iron your shorts. I was ironing it for you.
No. I like it.
No, he said no, he likes it.
Come on, Ocean, just fix it.
No, I like my skin like this.
No, you can't have your skin like that. Come on, Ocean, quickly.
Please.
Come on, man, and we go get your gummy bear. Where's your gummy bear?
Yes. Okay, Dad. Yes.
Wow.
Gummy beer, you know.
Mom.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, you tricked me.
Ace, did your mommy trick you? Come here, Ace. Where's the stiff?
Oh, split.
Where's my Ocean?
What happened? Alright?
1 minute, that's not how it goes. It's
Come,
good
baby.
afternoon, how are you?
To call to me already.
Oh.
Holiday is nice. Good for the kids, them want me.
I don't know, but you know me gonna know you. I'm gonna follow you up, right?
Yeah.
Now watch your live this morning. I just want to tell you, say, enough people love you. But you don't even know.
I know that.
Alright.
I know, man.
But just want you to know that.
Thank you, baby.
I know
Bless
where
it.
yourself, you know, because you're a good man, you know.
I know. That's why I'm release myself. I just had to me.
Know where yourself. You're
Thank
free
you.
spirited and
Yeah.
people laugh.
That's true,
I
man.
watch you enough
Well,
time.
it's nice. How are your name?
Renee.
You're sexy like I got to get that
In
shape
England, my
back.
mother live, you know.
Is it? Your shape so nice. I ain't not buying none.
No, but the belly one do it. If me did do it,
No
me
man
did
full
the
of belly, I that got you. You couldn't
Yeah,
get
man,
hip
I'm
shape and
gonna put one
bottom and
song,
get
you
belly
say
to
no,
girls.
so it go.
You understand?
Queenie.
Hello, how am I doing?
Alright, Queenie, take care.
Yeah?
Oh, I'm walk and see, I'm impressed.
Your shorts nice, where this come from?
You know, say, I'm going to our store, I take you away.
It's by your
I
fault.
reach, I say, yo.
You take it where you give them your money, I'll take it. Don't. I'm not a thief, I'm a shopper.
No, me just borrow it exactly where I can. Yo, what kind of Queenie? You still?
It may statement. Yeah, I'm on the line. When is Rubber Salute? Don't invite me.
Roland's going.
Where?
The Rubber Salute.
Wrong, I remember so. I could go over now.
Then me cook on the man.
We do over 12:35.
You
I
that
go over
12:35.
Scotches, go look some food.
Alright.
Then I'm gonna make 2 cars, because no boy them, one of my bands.
Sexy girl. Alright, I'm
Queenie.
right here.
You want to take a picture?
Yeah, man, I come here, tell her, I say, the Jamaican. She was on Sting.
I know.
I want sting. I sting in rain.
Well,
Oh yeah, bless her. Your face is nice, nice girl.
Thank you.
Yes, you're sexy girl. Queen.
Yes.
Girl for real. Alright, baby, later I'm gonna come out with you now. Yeah, bye. Nasty going.
She's going to get Riley.
I wanna come.
By yourself.
Yeah, may I come wait for me. But me no wanna walk around there and smoke.
Yeah, but
It's alright, baby. Come here and smoke.
they're on the right.
I'm not that I can, but
Family place.
because a family place, me no want chance it. You understand? Yeah, that's my best behavior as well. It's the true me I do me. Hey, me not lie. Rebel Salute. After me never know. Me hear them talk about it, but where bones are not provided, dogs are not invited. Nobody ever say come puppy. Number one, wifey, what's up, darling? And alright? Blessed love royal crazy. Queenie complexion, everyone. Hey, me do it. Everybody know me. And nice. A blessing that, you know. I just my at moment now. You know, see my at plus tax. Me no broke like cuff the queen, no pay tax. Some girl love chat. Then come on stage. Thank you. Nice door. You do when you put out effort in that life, you work hard. Or whatever come your way, you have to appreciate it, you know. You have to know that it come with a balance. Not come easy, you know. But you have the nice time and the sweet time and the happy time, you make best of it. Because sweetness and niceness come with sourness. And you have to remember that in everything. Me alright, man. We're cool and good. But both, so we don't have to rely upon nobody but myself and God. You understand? It's alright. Life goes on. We're hot girl, top girl, never a flat blood clot girl. Meet that girl.
Read your watch, you know, see the time up. So dusty by the girl affect the sign. Me when Nicholas and everybody
Say a Tuesday, she come and think I forget a chair. Get a hold of yourself and do a size. Miss a hot girl, top girl. Sting a winner, make the... Hey! Yeah, Queen Life. What, man? You're from Britain, fam. What's up, blood? Are you enjoying Jamaica, mate? Over there, snowing us soon. The Queen is here. Alright, 4 look good, boy. No look good here. Ah, hot boy.
There's no problem, man.
That I do it. Make a girl step to me. I wanted him.
Chill.
Tyrese and
Yeah.
Chin. Yes, say
You
yes,
know what
God,
is
you're
that?
blessed. So no cocky cleaner at and the queen said that Tyrese, Chin, say your cocky clean, say your cocky. Say you send the cocky, yeah, girl, that's where your name. Cocky shorty. Big up for the set. Blessed.
What you know what my picture? We don't want to be alone.
What's your, you tall like, tall and slim?
Wanna ride me there?
Yeah.
Chin on the road, follow me.
Tell them chin unrolling, nice, slim, tall, munching. Chin is tall and nice. Big up for the set.
Alright, man, yeah?
Hello, blessed. Good evening. What my name? Ajay, say yes, can you meet the queen in life and live in color? Say you cocky cleaner at Ajay, can you meet the queen? Right.
One more Queenie.
One more? Oh, you alright? Okay. Blessed love, yeah? Alright. Vice can't hide in it. Enjoy and stay. Yeah, bye. It's amazing. Oh, I can't walk in peace. How is that, you know? Crazy love, you know, man. I may tell you, you know, man. When the people them see me, them transform me, some of them sound like me. The quote them with them quote me and remind me. What's my name on that, Mike? DJ DMX.
DMX.
Ochiraya so good again with that. Nice girl pitting like rice grain. Big up all I watch girl them a turn out, you know. Dreams.
Hey, them scream it up.
Them go on bad for me, I watch you, you know. Bobo clad. The watch you girl them. But everywhere I go to girl them go on bad. I represent for you girl them, man. The good, the bad and the ugly. Still stand firm. Still a serve, you know. Still a spend time with you. Book my stay, me. A cup. You coming down, Divy? Go on, can you run you left me last night?
Run with idiot.
Portland, crazy. Portland off the oak. Hey, when I go to Portland and see people to box, I say, Bumble Clot, there's so much people, you know.
And they're calling now.
You know, I hope they're calling now.
At the night.
I never know say Jamaica could have called so. Divy Bashford, act like peppers. You know, see me act plus tax. Better but like of the queen that pay tax. Big up on yourself, right, crazy. I just want to know say my right and make peaceful in a good spirit. That's all matter to me. Get off when I get off of my chest. And I'm doing me. You understand me? Colleen, to you want me know say you about Johnny says we don't call out my name. So country people die. Divy, you need to be in town. And Maria call up my name. She's supposed to call up my name. I'm busy today. Bumbo clash. She still run out and lose the clash. No matter what she want. I'm with anything she wants. Amari run out and me win the clash. She meet her mat. I don't care nobody with me this year. I'm a bad mind. Bad-minded people all survive. Still I get on with life. So I change the pace. So my bad mind, I want different Queenie now.
What's drunk or Queenie?
Where drunk are them there? I bird them.
They're just a swamp.
What Queenie I deck? Martin, see sharks if you're not sleep there. Though weapon fire against the creature shall pass, I receive that. Amen. Hey, I'm not busy with Amari, but I'm just not busy with Amari. Love you with no apology. Queenie, remember Cynthia her June from where you did live at Jamaica? Cynthia, who I'm a cousin baby mother. Sending love. Come right crazy there. What up to though? So right crazy them nah left me out. I'm alright look entertainment. I'm alright, you know. I look professional and talent. Right now, it's all about my talent. I live life to the full. I'm putting them a fuck up Jamaica. Yesterday I did for go home, I'm not going nowhere. I say, for that time I pity them there. But focus. Why do you think me let out everything out of my crowd? It's solid. Yeah, man, fuck that. We say fuck that, I mean fuck that. I have enough work for putting. I can't take that everywhere to me. This cussy queen, me. You know? My grandkids them adore me, people them love me, the world love me. Alright. In life, always rely on yourself. Always expect the unexpected of anyone, no matter how close you is or you and them tight. You not disappoint yourself. Yeah, love yourself with no apology. Then I love myself, that's why I turn up here strong and I looking at eye. I don't feel like I want. Hello, pretty girl, queen wife. Hug up daddy and give daddy a kiss. Kiss your daddy. Okay, blessed love. And let's stop ask. Yeah, it's true, man. What happened?
Crazy.
Never lazy.
What's going on, crazy?
There about a split.
Nah, man,
Full
I
of
like.
vibes. There holiday aid. Where you were there?
I'm in some part of America called Connecticut.
Connected to the court. Say yes,
Yeah.
Connecticut. What's the name?
My name is Nick Queenie.
Name. You talked to me already, don't?
Yes.
Remember
Yeah, I
your
come
face.
from far. Remember your face.
Remember your face, man. Favor me.
Crazy.
Big up yourself. Never lazy. Bless up yourself, name.
All right, Queenie.
All right, baby, cool. But don't even have no clothes. Let's stop asking about the man and leave it alone, man. When you know you're not asking, just slow it and concentrate for me. Love that, man. It's about me. Even have a clothes. Cause we don't go home yesterday. We don't care about clothes that we have go back at England. We are a girl either way. I'm do wear what my daughter clothes and for a couple of days my there. Or go buy something in my baby. I don't have no clothes on there. My clothes on there put more. I was to go back to England yesterday. And I didn't go on the flight. I'm still there. So I didn't bring any clothes going back to England. So I don't have no clothes. Naked like a buckle. What somebody read? I'm a stink like. Oh, that's rude.
That's not
Me not busy so I don't want to chat. Me let have my steam and me that piece. I don't give a fuck. Me have bloom thick and me have sting with that. Me hype. The blood clot, but there's hype fit me. Me have what it takes to hype. Me can't hype too. Well, more hype now. Work hard, I get whole heap of disrespect and whole heap of bashing. Yeah, baby? Wow. Say hi. You look so nice.
Hi, Lady London.
Hi. So the one of the ladies at the bar that work at the bar,
Yeah.
her name is Annika, and she just told me to tell you that there was a time she was at the lowest point in her life, and you sent her a voice note, and it really lift her up and give her strength.
Wow.
So she wanted to remind you that you're always giving people strength in their hardest time,
Wow.
and she always appreciate you for that.
Wow.
She's still there now, working.
What she do at work?
Yeah.
Which one at bar? Her front?
Yeah, just right there where we are.
Allah, me send her voice note.
Yeah.
Girl, tell her I'm so called look for her. No, no need to make me live down here. Can we tell you? London, they saying hi to you. Somebody will do it. Say, hey, London, come for the seat. London, Jamaica fit you.
Hello. This is awkward. I can't do this.
But people never like the social media. Bless her. Oh God, what shall I miss out for all of this? But it's so nice. This is what the mama got through, you know. And then they're in a shame, I still stand up all when the world are bash me, I'm still there. And it's so much strong, I'm still there. I will come on this lovely family holiday. It's beautiful. Nice. But I did not that share.
Only one person missing as well.
Rochelle.
Yeah, one more person.
Who do it?
Even.
Oh, even two are also. Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
She was here the last time when I was there in October.
Is it?
Yeah, she was there when me and Tully done it. Rochelle, every day she with me. By the time Rochelle and my heart to leave. Tell Amara, go over there and tell Amara, so I say, me get a crap for talk, go me and do it. Tell her, I don't care, the artist. She need to go put her crap that I rhythm. And that she have rhythm, me can't have time for she know me. I sting me now. I go sit down for Instagram and argue with her. Argue with me in her lyrics, girl.
She should have seen car crash. She want family car crash. She cried.
Love her, Lord. It's truth. The amount of love I show you, Amara, my business is there. Amara love me, yeah. Yeah, and do it, go lock up and fuck. And that's the thing.
You know what that is?
Go take over, do it. The two of them deserve each other. None of them don't deserve me. So all the excitement to me, I will turn you on. And me, we can't turn him on. And the two of them go lock up and fuck, suck, bite, lick, and chaw, and go, man. I am now single winner.
Hey!
Don't want to mingle.
Remix, single winner.
I am a single winner. I don't fucking want to mingle.
No, I don't want to be a Yaman anymore.
Did I
You
say?
said that this morning twice.
But I don't fucking want to be a Yaman anymore.
You want to be.
What happened, girl? Smile, bring come give me. I want them tell about me. I can't give it up. Smile.
Big up yourself, Queenie. I love you.
Thank you. Big up yourself. Where you call from?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn in the house. What's your name?
Yeah. My name is Shanice. You could call me Nisi though.
Shamiz.
Yes.
Yes, I see.
Thank you. You're nice.
Queen with your bird for. Nice girl versus nice girl from one nice girl to another nice girl. Pussy power where I shower. Cause it's girl around the world. And
Yes,
we as
that's
girl are
it.
going
And
to
this
over
is
the
what
world.
I've been trying to tell them. Like, you know, I'm not picking no sides, but as a female, I have to be on your side. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause them mania, them awful, them terrible. And we just want you to be happy. I'm not like that's
I
all I
am
want.
happy. I feel to Almighty God.
You know
I
what
think about
I'm saying? Like, that's
it.
all.
Sit down, I'm going to process everything. And I said, I'm not going to sigh for myself any longer. I'm
Yeah.
going to put my foot down for being single.
Yeah,
Because
that's it.
I'm a publicity stunt. I want to put some stunt.
People are gonna listen, them entitled to them opinion. Them entitled to say whatever them fucking want to say. You understand me? That's just it. Like, y'all could talk, but how you feel deep down, you just gotta go with how you feel in your heart. That's it. You know what I'm saying? And whatever make you happy, that's what you gotta do.
Yeah.
You feel me? So
Everywhere
I'm
we
on
go,
your side.
they still I got to do it. That's
Exactly.
on the head.
Cause them
That's
are gonna remember
not the
say,
right.
yeah, you used to they would do it, so everybody I go shout out do it. But at the end of the day, I have to move on. I have to live your life. You see what I said? That's it. Big up yourself, though.
Nice
One
to
love.
nice things. I'm gonna tell you something. Regardless, my husband and me go through. We still not gonna allow nobody to pass them place.
Exactly.
I'm still not gonna pass some place because I go done them same way because it's my husband same way. But
Right.
my point is I've got enough, baby.
Yes. But no matter what happen, me dey on your side. Me not care if you're not allow them to cuss him or whatever. Me dey on your side. Because a girl power. That's just what it is.
Thank you, nice girl.
That's
Blessed love.
it.
You have a good night. Thank
All
you.
right, have a good one.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Yes, girl power. We still not make no enemy. We just want to be at peace. And my husband stay me and I stay my way. We're serious about what we say and move on. It's not work out. But you know, still not a pass on a place on a dirty remarks and I sit down and say, yes, no, I'm not having it. I will not accept. Who support me? I'm a dear, I have a little fun, I'm a little laugh and monsters, but still not pass on the place because it's a very sensitive situation. So if you feel so public system, get 2 fork and knife and get a spoon and scoop it up and have it for lunch, dinner and breakfast. You understand me? Never get up this grace myself to impress on and publicity. So you think I'm publicity so can buy plane ticket or pay for holiday in? Church it up people fucking here. I'm not sad and desperate. We don't have to do no blood clot publicity stuff. Not too bad and plain. But I can't accept life for who it is. Queenie's going back to do it. All who has eyes to see, let them see. We will see. Yeah, not passing no place here. I'm not busy don't know what I say. Whether I want to go back left, right, or center, still not passing no place. Hey, Queenie. Terrace, though. How much I know over here? I'm going to tour now. Who is in the room? All right, then, mega walk. Oh, that's cute. Why you got shot, man? I just have the other planet. Are you coming with me? Who is in the room? All right, do your thing. Take up your pan. So, just drop this. So when I come up, I now walk down the road and I walk here. Well, I want bodyguard, man. Might as well. What do you mean the video not make good? Anything to do with the queen make good. Anything to do with the queen.
The phone did not water. Nah, hear nothing.
But at least you not see me in the door. I'm not goodie, but for class.
Bobby down everything in that one.
Come.
I want to do it over.
I'm only for crazy then. What your name?
Tyrese.
I am a chin.
Yeah.
So what your name, Shaman?
Shotman.
Shotman Tyrese and tall chin. With the one over there, so when I want to tell me the name, all of the hot cocky boy that will meet Queenie, son of cocky. All of the clean fat pussy girl, them pussy power, what you look good boy, them. Good boy, pit there.
Yeah, that is it, fam. Turn up for the tall man, you know.
Tall man, I chin that, the tallest one. You see that?
Yeah.
Tall and handsome, that's him.
Yeah. Chin Barley.
Roof from pen. You know, you're not no. Maybe a speaker. Hey, maybe a speaker. Your speaker maybe off. You alright? Yes, might as well. Kulabash went to happen. Kulabash, you know, come down and live there in. It's nice. Bombo clad. Who bodyguard? After all, you have to take care of the queen. 1 man to my goodie. One diggy man to my goodie. I don't want to cheat. I don't want to commit an adultery. I just want to be free.
So you say you have a dream about Queenie?
Yes. Oh,
I'm telling you, Jim.
yeah.
If
Jidal.
take her from doing it was a dream, though. I did dream, me a dream. I took her from doing it.
I remember you used to like tall man. I saw my big father the tall, you know.
So do we not talk?
No, sir.
Oh, yeah, same height.
Look here, look here.
Mm-mm.
Wow.
Them shoot, I'm never lying up on them things. Imagine if me do that. Queen, that took me a long time.
You're cute either way, Chin. Either way. Good evening. Hello, I'm good. Blessing, yeah.
So you don't want to play around.
Wanna try hear that one now? Thank God. Come in and don't forget video with the
Buy a my phone, a fucking phone them have, man. Buy upgrade phone.
I'm gonna have you at the place. The place is so nice. Hello. You look nice.
Queenie,
Hello.
how you doing, Queenie?
I'm fine, thank you. Good evening. What am the chin? See, girl, I'm a talk about today, you know. Crazy. Eh? See, girl, I'm a talk about today, you know. Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. See, girl, I'm a talk to on the deck.
What am I say? Hold on, let me find it. What she doing? She come on. It's the start being cool, yes, she come. If been Queen done, I jump on man alive and go upset.
How do you say?
Chinto, ah! What's your name, Dan?
Yeah, man.
What's that?
So, son, where you there?
Send a request. Yeah, I send a request. See me send it. Just
Where request there?
Tyrese icon. Look for it.
Look for it.
See there? See there? It's a Tyrese icon.
Yeah, you.
Come in.
What I'm saying I just now. I said there was a Darius and Chin now.
No, see, you are the unique one.
Alright, so when I wanna get connected. So Chin. Alright then. Blessed love, Evelyn. Yeah, man. Sorry, I'm not before. But I'm still here, so you will see me around, yeah? Blessed love, thank you. Yeah, me show you the place now. What, man? What's up? I say hi now.
She wants to give you a message. Oh, she's serving.
Hello.
Good evening. So one time when I'm the lowest point, he said, "Oh, I'm biased."
Yeah. She not here.
When I'm the lowest point, you said, "Oh, I'm biased." I don't like see your lowest point.
Yes.
Me not like it.
Yeah. My good man.
You
Nice.
better cause when I have me mean me the suicidal, you make me know say it's not worth it.
Yeah.
I think about 2 years ago.
Yeah.
I tell you.
Blessing for that. Yeah, man, I take a page out of my own book. Yeah? All right, darling. Blessed love. Thank you. I see that, Landy. Riley!
Riley says the big people. Oh, thank you. Is everybody hear that? No, we're not talking. Thank you. So, from London. London, like Ontario? England. No. Really? Yes.
This is my son. We'll get a glimpse of my son a while ago. Them cute. And then I camera thing. The kids them so reversed in them own self. Them they're their own company among them own siblings. Them so, come here. Come here, boy. Oh, I'm giving a view of the hotel. Come. Let's tour. What happened? Hello, my darling.
Queenie!
Good evening.
Yeah, Queenie.
Hello.
Queenie, what is? Queenie, what?
No.
Queenie.
Yeah, hello.
Shelly, Imed, Imed. Yes, because the Queen in England.
Yeah.
Shelly,
Hello.
are your grandson right?
Yeah, my grandson. You know, you heard the lady just say a while ago? You heard the lady just say, the lady said 2 years ago she was at her lowest point. So she worked this up. And I sent her a voice note. I think I've committed suicide. You should under the year. What, my baby? Oh, them see me. Make sure them where I go on there, so.
Oh, because from England, I see you.
Hello, Pastor. Put the camera up on me.
Oh, you good? The Queen here.
Hello, my darling. The
Queen
Queen is
here.
here.
The Queen is here.
She not see me.
See her here. Eh? Yeah.
Why am I not England too cold? England cold and too snow, so I have to share one me. Yeah, so when England cold and night, I run there. When Jamaica at night, I run back.
Keep up the good work that you are doing, sweetheart.
Thank you, darling.
What doing there? What doing there?
Do that somewhere, you know.
Eh?
Some upon God hurt him there. Yeah. He's somewhere and Father got hurt. That I do it. That I do it. Crazy. That I do it. Evelyn. Sorry. Sorry, darling.
There's some magnets also over here. Which one have you taken?
I want.
Hello, me for truth. A queenie for truth, baby.
I want.
I'm not favor a queenie.
Can we buy something?
Yeah, may I go and make them so you have a go
Can
and
we
with.
buy something? Can we buy something?
That I do it. That I do it. That I do it. Bless up on yourself, yeah? All right, darling.
I want Jamaica.
You like that, Ace?
Yes, I want that.
And you hear the lady just
I
tell me
have
so.
two husbands.
I'm telling you some all purpose. I'm come with many qualities. Nobody can break me. I know my word.
Mama,
Yes.
I have three husbands.
Who have 3 husbands?
You.
My what?
Three.
Oh, who are who? What them name?
And Dewey.
Yeah.
And another fucker.
And another guy?
Yeah, and I can hold noises. Name T.
What name?
And Dewey.
You don't know? How what the next one name? Eh?
Dewey.
Do it.
Yeah.
So you said do it 2 times. So name out the 3 husbands I have. That look like I get 2 more husbands. Do it. Who again? You don't know. It's 1 husband I have 8. I said I'm gonna get 3 husbands. So because men do it, it's not together anymore. I'm gonna get 2 more husbands. But I only have 1 husband, okay? So you go. It's why we say about 3 husbands.
That's a different husband.
Is that different husband?
Yeah.
Yes. So when this husband gone, like how you been asking me why do we run away? Hello, good evening. When this husband gone, from yesterday you've been asking, Grandma, where is do why do we run away? Do we run away? So I have to get a new husband soon. And if that husband run away again, oh God. Hey, I'm fine. Blessed love. Good evening. Your name soft and nice. What's your name? Okay, Joval, you're Joval.
Mama,
You always watch me.
can we buy something here?
No, put it on, baby. Okay. Bless up yourself. Me nice, man. Me just there enjoy the beautiful holiday in, yeah? You work here? Okay. Oh, you're here in a conference? All right, Joval. Same to you. Bye. You're so pretty, can't process it. This time when I'm up on the live. And that's why every time I come to the camera, I say, yes, go on in. Because the way them worry about doing all that make me have to talk my truth. Cause it is a burden to so every minute them I ask to do it. And doing just gone. So when me and I carry this one and I say, I want 3 husbands. I have 2 more husbands to get here. Look what I said. I have 3 husbands. What then me I'm doing? And another guy. There's no other guy but 3. Look at count them here. Count.
1, 2,
You mind us taking
3,
out the big?
4.
Okay, thank you.
You mind us taking out the big?
Yeah, man, it's alright. No, don't buy. Just look. Nice. That's a lovely thing.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy your conference, yeah? Yeah, man. Good luck. Good evening. May I shop in your shop? May I shop in your shop on my life? Yeah. So anything to do with Jamaica? Yeah, me it all is the market, not what you say. Yeah, me it all is the market, not what you say. Oh, Lord, what a night, what a night. Have a holiday in. What a night. Have a holiday in. Holiday in without down more beer when you come with your family. Holiday without down more beer when you come with your family. Oh, Lord. When I make beer nice with this, me have a grandpit of that. Ooh. Come on, hey. Okay, darling, take care, eh? Yes, leave the people them things. Come. Go on. Riley not pay me no mind. Riley not school on 4 hours. Alright, you see me, Russian, Escada, and Riley. We're the 4 water god. When you come at Jamaica in the water, when you come out. Riley and I water run 4 hours, you know? And him don't care. I saw Shell that do too. And me. But me a hot girl now. Nice result for the family. Clean. Nice hospitality. Hello. Hello, darling. Yeah. Yeah. Nice hospitality. You know? It's good. It's holiday in. Yeah. Yeah, me and my family, me and my tribe there, yeah. Yeah. Blessed love, yeah? Thank you. Yeah, Queenie. Hello, good evening. Hey! What more? Jesus. Treat somebody one time. Good evening. Bless up. When I enjoy myself, blessed love, yeah? Hello, darling. What more? Hey, Queenie. Riley, then I pull. Wow, but you look nice. I went to that skirt, yeah. It's cute. This cutie. But you have a but you're a hot girl. But that's on my life. Your mind or it's okay? I just say you look good, so look at happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Queen. May the good Lord bless you. Hip, hip, hooray. How are your name? Ashara. Good. Clean fat pussy Ashara in a real life holiday in today, the 20th of January 2022. May the good Lord bless you. Say your pussy clean and fat. Move from the second. Yeah, say your pussy clean. Say your pussy fat. One man to your good. See them? Ah, that's how do it. Bless up, yeah? Alright. Let me touch the baby. Nice see and favor and poopa. Hey, kiss Queenie. Mwah. Bless you. Wanna take care. Nice little family. Wow, hello kids.
It's a blue.
You look nice. Bless up, pretty girl. Bless up. Okay. So which one? Are you not throwing at me? That's a nice. And time I want to come from solid family. Hallelujah. Perfect spot. Customer service good. Them manageable, respectable, courteous. All what do you think? We say holiday here. My baby Jamaica. Oh, see that in all there? 7 o'clock at dinner time. Hi, good evening. Wow. Alright. Look at that young girl, a good blessing. Wow. You have space to eat. Bless up. Hey, man. Bless up here. Them gonna leave us. See your mama that here. Nas! Where is LJ? Let me share my destiny. You can't see your mom? See your mom there. Right, but we're done now. What time at dinner time? 7. So what time now?
Why put mayonnaise on the toast? You can't put mayonnaise on the bread. You're going to make a mess. Dip it, break it, and dip it.
Yeah, it's good girl. We serve out before you know, take a picture. The girl see me, you know, so they say they're good girl.
But there, baby. Enjoy. You get your phone. I'm here, yeah? Yeah. Escada, I don't want to eat them make your white, sir. I don't want to eat them make your white, sir.
The water?
Yeah. You was in the pool.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Look at my tribe. Where you? Oh, no, we're going to the pork pot. We're going to the pork pot, you understand? Come, Esky. The pork close 6 o'clock, right in with foot shot. That's safe, my cat. When I enjoy an ice cream, that's safe, my cat catch it for pork. No, I don't want a hot dog. So why you never bring some for me? The pork, no, the pork. Eh? What? Hello. That's I do it. That's I do it. That's I do it. Do we all right? All right, babe. Bless up.
Mommy, can go talk?
You're going to get sand on your foot.
Pork, I parked him somewhere, go.
Yeah, I'll go find this side.
I tell me, sir, pork himself. Poor man. Go, man. Come, let me get a piggyback now. Come. Come, let me come up on my back, girl. Come. Nas. Come, Nas. Come, let me piggyback. Come now, Lala. What is we get a piggyback? Me show you.
You know, for the food.
Now, see, remember when I go back, you put it on my neck. Come
Oh,
now.
yeah. But you did it, man.
Oh my god.
Wow. Bumper jumping. Hey.
Now you drop me there without chocolate insurance.
She said she loves chocolate.
She's never lazy. Shows an empty feature.
Them say it like from 6 to 6.
I'm going to see if nothing left on there. How far is there?
Right there.
Oh, at the pork. At the pork. Well, look over the run here a while ago and remember not about pork. That's a nice eat. But I'm gonna sort of sit down and wait. Hello, good evening. But I'm gonna write this sort of sit down.
Yeah, let her see if she can get pork there. Mommy, look. Mommy got them that eat jelly.
Yeah.
We need to find.
Drink a jelly for Rara. Rara! We're having fun. We know what should I do?
Yeah.
And it are you enjoying Jamaica?
Yeah.
Okay. You know you love it, so. Well, are you enjoying Jamaica? Huh? No, man, I'm really
I love the water though.
You love the water?
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yeah, me know. Me just tell him, say me, you, Russell, and Riley love water. The rest of them, stupid. Eh? Eh? Where's the ears? You wanna go on my biggest bag? Come put him on my back. Hello, good evening. Put that baby on my back. Here, baby. Bless. You smell good here? Put that little boy up on my back. She smell good here, just beard. Alright, big up. Yeah. Hello. Good evening, Queenie. Bless up, darling. Bless up. Yes, drop. I like pork, daddy. And pork. I'm not hungry, I don't mind. I'm just, you know.
Mom, the jerk pork finished.
I want him finish. Oh, why would you want to do that? After my win sting, I don't want to do me. Wow, after me here, say pork nice. Good evening. I Mrs. But I'm not getting a pork. I took it in the girl. So I don't know for Republic or something and put sideways for me. Or chicken. Yeah, I love fish. Dinner I go ready in a bit, you know. Tomorrow, what time will I start pork tomorrow? 12. I can put on the drawers, me come picture and tent. Eh? Alright. Exclusive sting winner. Sting and win style, Meg. Sweet life. That's true, man. No, I don't like them parts of meat there. Pardon? Yeah. I don't put it on it, man. It's alright. I won't put it on it. Good wing. I don't want the breast part. Eh? I don't want chicken.
I think Riley wanted a piece of the chicken. It's a leg. Riley will eat it if it's a leg. Can I just
What? A lemonade, that? Is that lemonade, my dear? Can I have some, please? Yes, please. Orange juice, more orange juice. You post me? I wish I see me for post me. Eh? Yeah, today you do the birthday, don't mind me. The amount of people, I don't remember enough people, no baby. Thank you. Every half an hour, no, no, don't take my chicken.
chicken leg is for Ace, for Riley.
Alright, take it now. Can you pin them now?
Can I have a fork, please, darling?
Yeah,
remember he was in the water for how long? He's hungry.
Oh, Riley will eat it, not yet. Thank you, my darling.
Thank you, sweet.
So yeah, enjoy your birthday, my friend.
You remember this?
Yeah. Are you? Oh my God, it's nice. See, you look. Are you see, man?
I mean, man.
Yeah, remember.
Yeah,
Yeah, right. This one, yes, injury. Yes, man. Blessed love, yeah. But then I go and promote your place. Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, see the mix-up stuff,
I really my place is. What's my grand? Queenie. Yeah, my grandbaby the pan Queenie. To really get big, yes, take over the lovey-dovey, something with me. Yes, give me 100 kiss. He just kiss me up and love me up, so I say, whoa. I said to him, say, come on. Why did you run away? I said, yes. Come, leave me, I'm a stir them, I'm a grandbaby. Come here. How old are you? Say it, say it.
4.
Can you count to 4, please?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good boy. And what's your name?
Jeremiah.
Jeremiah. so my grandson is 4, and you can spell Jeremiah, ain't it?
Yeah.
Nice. What is it to me today about doing?
It says I have 3 husbands.
Show me someone 3 husbands.
Yeah.
No, I want 3 husbands, but I only have 1 husband. But because my 1 husband ran away, and they said, Grandma, why did Dewey run away? Yeah? You want to give... Yeah, darling, take care. You want to give him a message?
Yeah.
Say a message to him. It's a friend.
That me.
You don't know? It's okay. You don't have to know. It's all right. You will know. Do a big friend, my love. Come. May I go look for Mike? No, bring it come. When I come in the room. I want to live. Oh, Jesus. I don't remember where I live. That's crazy. I have too much things I do, man. All right, pan the car. Yeah, idiot. Pitney, I know you're some live.
By the park. The park where Jeremiah was playing.
Is it?
The third door after the park.
I said near me live. I want to bring my chicken, come, please. We live on a VIP town. I'm going to fill up my jacuzzi tomorrow with my nice king size. Yeah. It's not a different house. It's just I get a grandma room. Grandma get jacuzzi and king size bed. So grandma
Queenie.
to Amariah. Escada. I'm an hype man for truth, man. I'm a hype man. Eddie Escada.
Yeah.
God bless him. See you later, darling. How will we live? Where else?
Not here.
Here.
No, where the paint is.
No. A water's right there. A water next to you. Next door.
How far into that something we there?
Lucky, no.
Yes, that's this side.
Come on, Queenie.
To Amariah, grandbaby. Children. Grandma, Queenie. Let's count. Go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are live on a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come again, we again. A, B, C, D, E. Education is the key. Children. S is for the future. G is for the greatness. H is for the history. I inspire me. J, I have a name, mama journey. Teach it. 7 years of it. I need to release that children's song there, you know. Trust me. Yesterday I want a picnic. Children in this hotel here. Blessing. Yeah, true escape. We'll get locked out. Come. We'll go another back. Not have the key, yeah?
Let's say Queenie, Queen Lady Gangster.
That's
That's
it.
what they say. You know, your international fans are like, Queen Lady Gangster, Queen Lady Gangster, Gangster, you know, like, different accents.
Different accent.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's true. Especially international one, them when they talk.
Yeah.
They're crazy.
The accent Chang.
Chang. I just saw we live come here. Oh, God.
That's the best.
Careful, don't step in the water. On the room, they're right there, sir. Where broke house? I rang door. Not. I got door there. Oh, we live so much place. Which one a phone room, really? Eh?
This way.
It's the our living room.
Oh, the place big and nice, see?
Right? Toothpaste. Who has toothpaste?
Me.
May I have some of your toothpaste, please?
You couldn't have it in the suitcase. In the room. Over for them quarters. It's fine, huh? But I'm outside.
Oh. We gotta look for them.
I must sit on them soon, come on.
That's not afraid of them.
You can them bite her pants, spoil up her skin.
But they're not as bad.
Because through the breeze, but it's kind of them do your best to some. But it's alright, it come with it. It come with the holiday.
Queenie, Queenie. So people are coming to Queenie.
Huh? How about the stepping in them room there? What's them room that? Yeah. It's kind of sweet though and nice. I'm so moody when I'm ready and I'm in that mood. But it's so in that mood. Met. Hmm? You have to ask us. Them they don't have the pork shop, but pork shop done. At dinner time now.
Then I said, oh, come, Scarlett, come for food. Don't come late. Don't bother.
Huh?
Let them say, come for dinner. Like,
Oh.
the London say,
What's Escada? Oh my God, Rachel, that's so marvelous now. Sure. Boy, I may have
oh
tell you,
yeah,
man.
son said I favorite Russia.
Eh?
No, son said I favorite Russia.
Yeah, you look like Crush your throat.
They don't like you, or you don't think so?
You do.
Oh,
Remember,
some...
I'm telling you since Rachel that me realize you favor Rachel so much.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Now, I look on the picture with her and mom veranda. I mean, I said, that's amazing. You favor her for sure. And when she alive, I never see that. Dunby, what it land, what? That would have placed the name in a St. Thomas. I from, how that, Dunwa, Colorado. Rascal. I want to go Colorado. Hey, more.
Is it Colorado in America?
Hey, enough place never go do, you know. Oh my God, you know, blessing are really blessing. And you see, Satan always feel like so them can't stand up and make problem. But you have to trample Satan in because sometimes you see some things that you work hard for, something you just get up and it just gone. So you just have to catch back yourself and say, well, you have life and the greatest thing of life. You win some and you lose some.
He's sleeping. I was trying to go in there.
Roger,
Shut up, like that, I'm looking at your room. Why they juice his hair?
I just ask where them live next door. Look at my room big and nice.
What's wrong with that?
I Jamaica them tall.
Yeah, come this way.
Lock him out, don't put him in here. Push him out, lock him out.
Can we get in with the password?
Lock him out, lock them out, lock them out, lock them out, they're not going in there. Lock them out, baby, lock them out, yeah, lock them out. My squash your finger, lock them out, Put it there.
Look at my wheels. Put it then.
Yes, lock them out, them for go, man. We're not going over in the quarters.
Buddy, your drink is on the floor, honey. Sorry, move it somewhere, little boy.
Not you, buddy. Not you.
Yeah, bread time.
Okay, that. Are you coming?
Eh?
Are you coming?
No, I'm not coming.
I got close it.
I'm staying here.
I got close it. I got close.
Bumbleclot. Yes, you hurt yourself? I'm looking inside. Yeah, I'm all on for the drip. Stop it with some water, Nas. Hush, yes. It come with growth. Hush. Life is pain, baby. I'm looking inside. What, man, all right? Hush, right, yes, hush. Stop it with water, segue. Life is pain, baby, no pain. I'm a set of a friend this father. We say, my wind sting, and we get blue tick, and then we get this again. Said, coverage. I love Queenie. Latus, bring up yourself. I was watching Sting yesterday, and my son Latus said, you know, I love with Queenie. In every situation, she find it funny. You know, it's a balance. Cause life come with so much things and disappointment and kind of disagreement. You just have to balance it. Like, I don't want to hear what call up my name. I don't hear my son have to stop now, man. I have family time with my kids. Them. I enjoy the look of you with my kids. Them, cause I don't know get back them little time here. I told them there at Jamaica, I can't barely put the camera for all them. If Roger ever know me even spit it on him a while ago, you know what, there, me sit beside me for the rest of the night. Bless them. Yes, so just enjoy the royal moments, you know, keep my spirit up. And me's always a winner, that's true. And as I say, you know, nobody ever meant to ask about my husband because I don't hear what I'm going on. I'm not putting no petrol in the fire. Same thing as I'm telling anyone on the road to him or passing the place, same way. I'm going to adjust it. But I just know that humanity and life and things is technical and sensitive. And not because I talk about it mean to say I don't care rub salt in the own. You understand? I don't hurt and feel some type of way and balance up things. As my daughter said, I love my own and store them, and it's true. I talk about myself all the time. I'm rehabilitate myself. One of you take a mock me and laugh and something for that. Talking about my ring, I not take off my ring. I'm still married. All if men me divorce and I want to keep on my ring, I keep on my ring. I still cherish my marriage. I respect my marriage. I love my marriage serious. I still love my husband, but me and him just can't work out. And but we're free of each other. Maybe somewhere along the way. Um, Anybody say anything about Dewey Road, I go black or no. I tell them the truth, I don't care. So all what I will, oh, them soon go back, but I will go backside and never. And still not go this him, I'm sit down and make it this him either. I'm not going to clean out to no own a correct. But because I'm so peaceful in myself and my hype and show off, it's like I can't come to terms. I'm so calm and I love that. I'm calm because my body sees it to everything. So it make me calm and collective. But me still know dignity. So still don't please pass in the place. It's the God Almighty truth. Don't rub it in. Stop it. At the end of a good day, I'm there here for serve, you know, for perform for, you know, show them my talent. You know, I'm a professional, I have a lot to do with my life. And I'm a peaceful person, as cantankerous as I am. So just enjoy the queen. I'm the queen, I'm the seed. And it's so nice, my kids them there here with me. Yeah, that's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Yesterday, I look at me, I said, "Nasa go there here 1 more week. London, I go there here long, and then me go back to England, and I go cold, miserable, depressed. Well, me not go be depressed, but my grandbaby them not there. No husband to be found. I said, fuck that, I love Queenie. It's a Queenie bad, no bumbo clad. Queenie just say, stay home with them. So we just come book in today, and we have fun in holiday in. Holiday in nice, and if you save up on the money, get in a little partner draw, beg steal our bar. Baby, I live when I want to be okay, I have to be okay, darling. I'm fine. You understand me? Yeah, man, I'm fine, man. We just want one peaceful life now. More respectable and lenient and rely upon myself so nobody not have to disappoint me and blame me for everything and then make me feel like I'm not try. I try too hard. Yeah, man, so if my burden down somebody, I don't feel nice to see me try and then at the end of the day it paint to be a bad picture. I'm going to put out so much effort. So it's no fuss. I don't know, big deal. Understand me? Life comes with many issues, many journeys, many parts and episode. I'm not sad. Maybe the most thing happened to me is the anxiety when every time I think about the situation, I feel cheap and low. It make my belly run every minute more and go tired. Because I clog it up in me. So when I think about it, it make my belly cut. I'm more and go tired. I say, no, man. A girl, top girl, never a flap girl. I'm not sit down on a ass clap thinking. I can't go to studio, can I think and do every. Look, every walk I walk, somebody asks me for my husband. How straining that is to me. And then the man not dead for me. I feel a way, Virgin, and then I say, him soon come him dead, son, him just lie. He's gone, fam. He went away. Running, continue running, I look back, brother. I have enough of that shit. It's too nice and good. I respect it, but the whole world love me. And you just have run from me. The world I run me down. So it's a balance. You run go and I make them run me down. As you say, stick with my right crazy then. Sad, but alright. I have good family support from you, them, and that's good enough. You them love me dearly. Trust me. You see them here land on the pay, you alright, mom? I ask her, pay, you alright? I mean, I say, alright. So what do you mean by me alright? Them say, my distance. Yeah, my distance. Because me I think. Even though I'm around them, because me I think, I'm think clog up in me. So me now be myself. Run, go on, man. Run. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Enough is enough, man. You know, you think you do good and feel like say you're good and nice, and people are going to be lenient with you and are going to consider what every day just gets worse and worse, the simplest thing worse. And then them are do the worst thing, but them tell the simplest thing I use against you. I can't get through that. I have to put my foot down for me as a queen. I'm a sting winner. I sting and win. No, after I sting and win, I'm not telling no more of them shit. Yeah. I'm fed up. Yo, madam. Bomba clad. I mean, I tell Queenie saying, and where God nevertheless live and live in color. Yes, man. I'm not up on Wi-Fi, I'm up on data. Yeah, I'm on data.
You're on the Wi-Fi. What's your name, see?
Nice and cool. My love you, I appreciate you.
Smell nice, though.
It smells good, man. I'm not going to be that smell nice, but so I sweaty.
You have to bathe and smell
And
nice.
this is Music Martin.
Hi, guys.
Music Martin been doing my marketing, my assistant in my managing fair.
And all in your hand in.
Since so long, Pink Rhythm was when
2020.
From 2020. I know I'm in love with him many times when he made me like today when he book summer for him. And him say,
Yeah, no, fuck that, man. I do that.
I said, no, fuck that, I'm not going there, so I don't in a good mood. I'm a shoot him, you know.
Fuck that, Queenie. Anything I want to do, a joke. I just let her do her thing.
I appreciate you, man, because you know drive me to rats. And you leave me for lash out and then I come out and say, I'm so nice. I said, Mike, I hope you don't feel away. I said, no, Queen. I'm just say, holiday in Rago, fuck.
Check in now.
But that was a good effort. I know I'm in love with you, Mike.
Yeah.
But I vent, I sit down now and answer until I answer a question. I love that with you, Mike. You'd even like no. But I talk, I had never said nothing to me. I said, so Mike, what you really think? I come in with a compassion. I said, well, Queen.
You got to be a good
You tolerate me. You
like
know?
listen and understand.
And respect goes a long way in many ways. You understand? And you have to appreciate people. Not come easy and everything is a struggle and a hustle. Life is a struggle. You never move is a risk. Sitting here is a risk. There's 1,000 ways for people die. No guarantee the next minute for none of us. So I like to live good. I like to apologize and be the bigger person. You know?
Yeah.
But I'm not perfect. But me's not that monster and that scary goofy where you have to run.
You're awful and terrible, but you're nice.
I'm awful and terrible, but nice and loving and caring and respectful. But and when the time for come for respect, I have them back. Me just like that with anyone is around. But when me have a lash out, I get miserable. I have my OCD. So things that trigger me, and every time I will ignore it. When I look at it, it trigger me. I just see me get mad. Like Mike said yesterday, when I said to me, I said, Mike, it doesn't matter. From them say Queenie is about Queenie, no matter what they want to say. Some people now that counteract me and I try to explain and not irritate me. You just listen. People listen to reply. It's not about replying. It's about listening with understanding. Processing. Without jump for counteract, you say A, you have to say A too. So I say B, you have to say B. No. So you not get no understanding. So sometimes some people is around here. And through my loud and cussy, them want to even up with me. So it gets irritated because if me say something, I go judge me for say I throw my cussy, but then I might feeling. So there's many ways to life.
But a nice peaceful Friday doing.
What some men do I do this? Them people are fooling. Me not wrong, no. The internet fake, yeah. A publicity stunt, yeah. You're not real. The damn jackass. People fooling.
Let me say so what I'm doing now. I need the only entertainment better this facility.
Yeah, me I only entertainment because I can't sit down and chat shit.
Oh my God. Show them your view, show them nice.
You don't know what me I going to do tomorrow. Me don't know what me I going to do tomorrow. No, shut the fuck up. Shut up in a stinking mouth and get some J's. You know what J's are them put on sore foot? Get some J's and gaggle out in the mouth and shut up in a stinking mouth. You don't know what me I do tomorrow and me don't know what me I do. Don't talk for me. Not even me myself, no know. Hello, good evening. Queen Wife. Hello. I be a nice people know me. What a nice, see? Be a office people and them, hey, I'm a worldwide doing. I'm like, people from all different organizations. It's amazing, you know what happened? They all accept me for who I am. Well, startedly. Yeah, because if them see me and them approach me and show me that love and have the guts to approach me, that means I'm real to the core. You see the one them are shy and afraid, them have something against them so them afraid. I have some of them who I will just don't have a personality.
You just see the lady who come to you over there at 8 and she'll beat on the glass and talk to me until I say they're on the phone, and no matter how much I say they're on the phone, she won't talk to Queenie.
Hello, good evening. Yes, you can come over on a nice see. Our work colleagues are husband and wife. It's a work colleagues are husband and wife. Wanna make a good team. I say my son, I'm just admire and jealous I told in a sense as in.
Mind doing here, you
No,
know?
I just fact. Just by the time my spirit said they're wife husband, and I said to Mike, said them nice see. So true, me not have no husband relationship now, me admire now. And my husband gone left me. No, me not, I got the people them I say. No, I'm gone 5 days now. So me there I admire you know, and good luck and blessed love. How long you been married?
10 years.
Jesus Christ, girl, we do 1 year and 10 months. Can't get 1 year and 10 months, but the 2 of 1 year and 10 months. So we're still proud of ourselves. Life coming outside, everybody's journey is different, isn't it? The great thing, I'm being optimistic. I'm looking at the bright side of life. I've got a lot ahead of me. I have a lot I have to put out, so I have to reserve myself. And certain weight when I didn't have, I have to just let it go and just do me. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, baby, that's so nice. Come. Jeez, I can't believe something too like this. So that wife out. I so
Could you take one of the 3 of us?
Sure.
Here.
Very clear.
Quite clear. Surfy weed. I'm a good man.
Ready?
I see.
One more.
Congratulations, man. I'm proud of you.
Awesome. Got it.
Thank you.
You're
It's a
welcome.
teamwork, you know.
Yeah, man, make the dream work all the time.
Thank you, my darling. It's a teamwork. And 10 years, 10 out of 10 and I get from the team. Get 10 more too. All right, and many more come there. Blessed love. Yeah, married that teamwork. The 2 years stream. 2.5 for 5 for no one in it. 2.5 for 1 6. Do you understand me? The two, you want the couple slap
Right.
class. They're nice too. Bless 10 years ago. Nice. Them all them union, me like that. I shall go and try them fight together, you know. If one I fight at the next one interested, it's not going away. Them nice. I was so good admire them after that. Never there.
But you know about if it's office, but they look like them.
No, because them could be a work colleague.
Yeah,
Because them look.
Yeah, they're probably here for function or like.
Right. Them have some something about the yeah. Hey, be nice people down here, you know.
It's also Friday and it's Rebel Salute, so maybe them stay in Peru.
I wish I ready salute them.
It's gonna be in St. Anne, Richmond. Richmond State.
So me I go there, go MK, be there by the ticket, go there at the place, I'm a queen. Yeah, man.
Roland said he was going.
So nobody remember me.
Ask him what's the pray.
Well, I look like him have ticket. If me not pay going there. And so much people are going to take picture with me and something with me. Queenie was a YouTube challenge. Queen Lady Gangster. Anything to do with me and my name. Queen Lady Gangster YouTube. When I see my wedding video, Lord, I forgot watch my wedding video, then I know. My mama pussy tongue. I think the box of my mother give me that my ass wake me up. She give me a blood clot box. Poor Miss Blondine. Rich Miss Blondine. Bush a plant and in her face.
Frightened her with her wits. It's
Hey,
excitement.
BJ bad girl.
Now we know where you get it from. Spicy.
Bless my mother, bless my husband, see you with no matter what. DJ Stella what, bro?
Much breeze.
You know what we always happy for? Yes, cause you see the impact when me and my husband have on the world. It's so beautiful when the two of us together. It's a beauty. I'm going to love it. And for say it's separated and one guy left one right. I say, bomber class, I have to just admire other people. Because I lose out on something where I did adore. So when I see other people, I adore it. You understand, DJ Styler? So I use that for makeup now and say, wow, if me and Joe probably there now, me now walk this and jump for the back and we are ramp, you know? People know all life
DJ
with me.
Styler, big up yourself.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you see that this world, eh? You come across all different kind of people. You mix with all different kind of people. You know? Some people come in their life for a reason, some it's for a season, some it's for a lifetime. So at the end of a good day, this is my platform. America come gone, Ziggy come gone, Dewey come gone, and I'm still here. It's about me. I'm here for you lot and you lot are here for me. So whoever come on my platform as a guest, when I'm gonna eat, that's it. Don't insult me. Don't rude to me. I will not tolerate that. It's so peaceful and nice. Thing make me show off, you know, I'm proud of fuck. You ever proud? The complacent in myself. As you said, Queenie, you done this all by your fucking self. And when I say all by myself, I'm not being selfish. You understand? Me I talk with all of the journey everywhere. Me alone go there. So I'll let me come and relate back to you and sorry for me. And me all do it and just support me. And I appreciate you that for you that support. The support start where you got about left me a fuck and you heard God back in a cold. But I have no baby pan breast. My baby pan breast down here. So I'm still here. Yeah, but life is what you make it. You understand? No matter give you a gladiator. But gladiator of the truth. Peter while me seen and piss all myself to blood clot. That man just beat me up. It is a wake up box. Cause that fucking box wake me the fuck up. Can't tell you that for sure. I say, what did I say? You mash up the thing, man. You know. Can't get to the bone clutch the cockswabber. But still I get cat. BJ warrior, you don't mind you shriek, you know, BJ a bad girl. When she calm down now, you have to hear her. I mean, no, you can't help yourself. Come here, take it from them. I couldn't get up, take it from myself. I know me have myself. So you don't have to tell me that. You just find out that you're late. You understand me? Me can't help myself.
Yeah.
One teacher beat I'm telling you, the teacher beat my brother. I might be all age. My father built the school. He was a steel man, so he steal all of the hospital, the gas station, the school, all of the important business them in St. Thomas before my father steal them. Anyway, When the building built up on Town School and the teacher beat my brother when he in jail, sir. My father got to school, go buck up the teacher, buck him with the medal and beat him up. My mother now was going to church one Sunday morning. My brother had 33, Orion. Mommy last bit me. She pregnant 4 months with Orion. I have a woman every time she see me, she pass and throw it for me and my brother then. And mommy I got church and book her in the meat shop and told me I go put on a shot and get a piece of blood clot beat the Sunday morning. And put her back her clothes and got church. So my mother, you can't tell me about no, you can't help yourself because I'm here to take after. I couldn't take after nobody else because I know me have myself. You understand me? So I just say, all right, man. But you see, through me tough and loud and awful, enough emotion I feel and through me laugh and happy spirit. I suffer and bleed with inside. It's truth. I'm a bleed and heal myself, sop up myself with cotton and say, one day I gonna come. But I'm gonna put my foot down the right way. And that's just it. Hot girl. But later will be great time here with the kids. We'll have a little activity with them later on. A whole heap of activity there, you know. One put up
What the glasses there?
my eyeglass sitting on one bag when I good night.
Want it now?
Yeah, ask me for the pretty bag, the accessorized bag. Tell her my glasses in there.
No.
Bumba. Cause talk about Johnny Sando forever. That sound good, eh? It sound good, me love, but one hand can't clap. So you have to remember that. If you don't want it, it's not going to be forever, baby. Well, the memories will be forever. Queenie Mary Mash. Mary Mash up. I mean, Mary Mash up, yes. I like that. I Mary Mash up, you want to say the mash up, not upon it. I stated as get saying Mary Mash up. I'm not go for dinner. See my dinner, yeah. I have no appetite. Oh, strong black over Divi Bashment. Divi. I don't live for my royal president. But tonight one have nothing to do me, no. Mary Marsh, a shame dance. Mary Marsh, no sir. I'm not attracted to Marsh like that. But you have to attracted to somebody. Me and Marsh not like that. Marsh is my best friend. Me and Marsh too close. Sure, they don't go and I'm still going to get on with life. I'm still going to win still. But I act, girl. When God go up there, you know, all who are pray for me and support me, I appreciate you. Nice, nice girl. And, hey, the amount of money I get from my rest of what media tell them fool the fuck. Much love me for me, much don't love me for be with me. Much no say him can't be with me. So if you want to sit down and fool himself and you want to sit down and say much love me too. So I think that I take much now go do something and leave me alone. I don't want no man. Thank you, baby.
You want somebody wipes? You don't sweat them feet?
Thank you, baby. We soon got for dinner, yeah?
Yeah.
It don't make no sense in a talk. See, I call it I want do it with me and it not happen. Just let it be what it be. God have plans in it. You understand? The ear them at 9. No man. Time will tell. Remember the same out to say yes, come back, come say no. But everything take time and everything have to come to an end somehow. So time will tell. Take a white man. White man not get trouble too. You don't want no man. No want nobody me alright. If me get somebody, me get them. Me don't want nobody. God say have a plan for me, I know. Thank you. Go link Mama G for the product. Oh, yeah. Science. Where's go? Do the science. Where's the work? So if I work over now and get back my husband, me not gonna feel good. Work over for get him back. No, sir. That mean to say, me naturally can't keep him, so I just have to do it without him. We can't go do the science. And my style, that baby. I say, girl, you win some, you lose some, all it not last. You understand? We need to get some high grade, you know. Weed are done. Why BJ box me? Because she can, she have a mother, so she box me in my ass. We can't go get no chance to get back the man. That's like a worse. And then when I remember some signs him, you don't go feel good. That's not sexy. Watch Yvette. Do it over there. I do it. Do it over where? Do it. Said kisses. Wow. Let's see if him there. How did I say Adele? Look at do it about me something, Mike. Hello?
Queenie.
What happened?
Nothing. Read the pan.
Mash the pan it?
No, Nash.
Do it on the pan it. Don't mind them. I'm not grab or do it over here.
Them this miss them as I talk to them in a comment as sad cases that they say.
Don't mind them. I saw them mix up and take me for puppy show.
I'm so far for you.
Wait, this man a Queenie in a school, right? Them are chatting at school this morning. Andrew, you know.
Andrew, yeah.
This man them in a school, a teacher chatting. Teacher take one picture, you put on board, and I talk about Queen Lady Gangster. So we are talk about you, them and say, got a new like celebrity, like Jamaican celebrity now. In a Jamaica, we are talk about your past because you did our interview. We are watching interview in a class today, explain your past, and I say you're prefect and then some of them. And they must ask one question today. And I say, why Queenie? Say, which type of people Queenie gravitate to? And why she love gay people. So me raise my hand and I say, listen to me. Everybody go to the Queen. Queen accept everybody can everybody go
Thank
to the
you.
Queen. Everybody have to go to the Queen.
I wear them at true, man. Listen to me, Andrew. People gay in many different ways. People gay hide it and people gay and start accept it. Who am I to
Exactly.
disown someone?
On the beach party down there, you come in.
Yeah, my son come beach party. Who am I, Andrew, to discriminate someone when the people that we work with, the organization we live in, are all surrounded by gay? So you might not have a best friend. You might not have a best friend that's gay, but your boss is gay. Your school teacher is gay.
And I talk about that shit pan Jamaican culture, cause yeah, support the gay people there. So I say, listen to me, everybody, I say, Miss Queenie, me fix up in that class today. I say, me fix up them in that class today.
So Andrew,
everybody can go to the
then again at Jamaica.
Exactly.
What is wrong with these people? I'm too strong for them, so them just have to plug them charger and I'm gonna forget the camera current.
I say, a woman in that class that teach boy to the night class, Queenie.
So Andrew, that tell you by yourself of stereotyping them is. But me live in England. The school, the principal is a man and he married to a man. And that's the school around, that's a teacher, that's a principal around the whole school. All you know, like gay, you can't stop your picnic from going to school.
Exactly.
So don't mind negative, small-minded people. You hear that, Andrew?
Yes, Queen.
Big up your nice self. I hope to meet you. I wish I live again.
I say every day no more, but that's why I say, but me don't know where this. We can just show you for the boat to Jamaica, me not where there. But me can't
Where
see
are you?
Spanish Town, but me go school at Alfred Tree, so me now my the Alfred Tree, clock tower this up.
You don't want to see the queen?
All right. Monday I leave down. Maybe Monday I leave down this side.
All right.
Try to find me and meet me. But I like to get nice. Okay?
More see you to fit you.
All right, Angel. Love you.
Love you queen later.
Yeah, bye.
I big man. I big
We're going to
When I got a beach party.
Yeah.
I will soon.
Yes. Are you coming?
I will come when I'm finished.
And then we can probably go eat after.
I don't hear the music yet, so it's probably because it's
I wish I them say I forgot to do the lecturing in the school. Annette Garden. Annette Garden. All right, listen. Whatever foundation in a Annette Garden. Arnett Garden. And then Andrea tell me send me a topic in our school and put up all my pictures. So what that would tell her? I work hard, brethren. I'm irrelevant. At your fuck. The whole world want to know me. Interested to hear what I have to say. Why you all keep saying that? What them did I say?
None of these that door closed.
Jamie, I'm there. Jamie, you cannot see my nephew.
Close it down and just slide it. Hey,
I wouldn't say in my watch. Do it down the pan here. Mike, check back again. It's to do it.
Let's do that. Nice and clean. Hi, my baby. Do you miss me? She look nice, see? Just up on the Friday. What's this?
So if you miss me, make a dress up. So I'm still there. Jamaica. We just not come back at all.
Eh?
I'm going to dress up, so.
Turn down
The
the
mic say?
Turn down the judgment. Man. Can't hear you, miss.
Hi, darlings.
Hi,
How
baby.
are you doing?
I miss you. I miss you.
I miss you, threes.
You look nice.
Thank you.
What you cook for me
just have a
today?
shower.
Hey, what's your bed? Your shower.
Eh?
You got bed and fresh up for tonight.
When me I fresh up for tonight, for my bed every night I'm fresh up.
Me I come link you.
You come link me?
Yeah.
Oh, me think I say you come link me. So I say where you link me for?
No, me I do
Where
that
you
too.
link me for?
Me I do that.
What kind of lick is it? What do you want licky too?
Not licking.
I licking the one?
I just think again.
Where you want to lick me from? You have many licks, you know.
Many licks.
So you have to be specific. Is it lick as in? Is it lick as in?
Maybe a finger licking.
Finger licking good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's up, my crazies?
Girl, me just there single, just there. Just have it to me for myself. Fuck that.
I'll fuck that Friday today. Fuck that.
Fuck that Friday.
Fuck that.
Jesus Christ, I didn't even remember that. It's for that Friday, you know. Calling
Yeah.
God. If I say not come down here, you have to just
Let me carry me from my bed, my day.
Maybe true, me look so good. Maybe it never look good. Me have a husband.
Today is Friday night at the fight.
No, if I say at the Friday, yeah.
It's not a big one.
Well.
Regular.
Why do comment now, Mike? What do you do to get by the comment? Because shit. Yeah. I got to studio event. One queen in the park. Queen in the park. I pick somebody here.
So what's up? What's up, crazy girl?
Your bush, that's up.
Hey, what's choker? It's the choker for me.
My bush for choker, me.
Hey.
Bumbo clad. Where shall I say your bush?
Skipping round robin.
Pussy clad. Yvette, you're too far. Fuck that fry. It's a freeze. Wi-Fi.
Skilling skin suit.
I've heard in that name in a while, you know. Rump and skin and skin.
Yeah, that's what I'm wearing tonight.
Where
My
radio, where
rumpen.
did that? Rumple, still skin.
Rumpem skilling skin.
Rumple, still skin. Rumple, still and still.
I'm just do my breast them and come back.
Your breast, them are stress.
You bet never got stress over your breast.
Hmm?
Never got stress over your breast. Give me your breast, them are stress.
Too many for them stand up in my chest. What's going up and what's going down today? Hi to Royal Crazies.
Don't get me.
Good
Hey, man.
Eh? Crazy, me miss you just gone a country left me.
Nothing got me to go back on my left face today. If I'm glad me not going away. That we are talking.
Big up on yourself.
And I'm making a day. One queen in a day.
Even to a freeze.
I did my breath. Can you sing your songs in English? Can you try?
What do you want me to try and do?
I did my breasts.
They're
They are
stressing. Okay, I'm going to do it. I was talking about
I did my breasts.
Okay,
They
so
are stressing.
okay, so do Queenie deck in English.
In
Then.
English, fam.
So what's the fucking part I done it in? So I part I'm gonna do it in now?
Yes, you did in power.
Okay. Me, I'm the queen in the deck.
One
queen in the deck. And it's me in the deck.
It is
I am
in the deck.
high in the
It is
deck.
I in the deck.
And I'm me into the deck. I done my breasts and they're stressing. Nipples are stiff in my breasts.
And they have said that my man won't leave.
Because I'm the one wife, yes.
Oh, yes.
But now I'm stressed and vexed.
I have 5 children.
And then they rate me.
They came out of my good.
And they rate me. And it does not matter who hates me. I have some good songs.
Tell a boy to come good.
It's nice. I'm going to sing it to them. I'm going to sing it in a gypsy. Me pi apa de pe kapi ne pe ipi na pa pi de pe. Apa da pa mi pi ipi na pa de pe. Me pi de pe me pi breast them up class stress. Apa them apa de po. Apa them tapa se pi me all them
Specialist.
No, I can do it.
It's coming like only a marrow. Trying to live.
Alright, listen. I got a pool party. I'll come back to it. Later will be greater. Yeah? I'm not seeing the comment there. You know, I'm a same clothes. I'm not clothes, you know. I can't bring some clothes from Port North. Come give me Yvette. I forgot to jump in or something for London or not. May I girl either way. You know, son, I gonna hear my son for one.
Queenie.
One.
Remember say you're good as a year. One queen at the deck, no blood clot. You know what I'm doing, girl. I want if a nice boy there, Jamaica you want you. Here?
Oh, God.
What if a nice boy there, Jamaica want you? Jamaica full of man. You don't need that. Here?
All right, my friend. Thank you.
Big up from Netherlands.
All right, my Netherlands friend. Queenie.
Ciao.
Thank you. Bumper clad Queenie. Yeah. Queenie is nobody for nice boy in Jamaica want you. And I don't want not one of them. May I go and celebrate. I said something else. The man something language. I think lonely is alright at times. It's good to be lonely at times. Sometimes. Humble Claire, Pussy Rat, Glamour, O'Neill! O'Neill! O'Neill, hi, O'Neill. You're the from a line. O'Neill, you know I do no makeup on a Friday. Fuck that Friday. And a makeup, where's the mic? You see me? O'Neill, what's up? Friday,
What you want?
Package there. I'm total package just when I got a friend left. So you know,
What, Miss Queenie? What you want? Me on the bed.
I was finding your bed there.
My bed, look. Me on the bed. You can't see in the dark.
Paulette,
Yes, baby.
what, my darling?
Me alright. Me there for you, man. You know that.
Paulette, your place nice and comfortable. So I crack up in my bed and I need the mosquito net.
Good.
But sir, it's not no sweet me not the out when you mosquito net sweet me.
Innit?
Mosquito one, mosquito two.
Did you like going to the swimming pool?
No, I'm never going to swimming pool. I guess for the pit of them, as them reach some of them want go some different who want go buy this, who want go do that. So we never settled.
Oh.
But the greatest thing, I'm still here. So that's a good thing. You know, notice me about that come home.
No.
Yeah.
No. You soon come to.
Yeah, man, I soon come. I'll be there before you know it, okay?
Yes, baby girl. Love you. You know I'm here for you. Love you.
Yeah, man, you always support me. Thank you, Polly. Love you too. How was the funeral?
It was wicked. The biggest funeral on Wednesday. The funeral, body.
Yeah, man, all right, Peter Reds. I heard that she no, bless her.
Yeah, it was wicked. Red's funeral was bad.
Yeah, man. Love you, Polly. Later.
You as well, sweetheart. Bye-bye.
Bye.
How many come off at this?
Yeah, me call up on the WhatsApp when I finish. You know what happened? Good evening. I want that like one body. Hello? I want body.
It's not body.
I want.
Wait, why you add these randoms?
That look like somebody did something that you take it out.
What is this? It's one of those Indians. Bye, sir. Bye
Press
now.
it.
Bye now.
Well, remember, I don't know who may I add. I don't know who or who. Them really did that show, buddy. All right, go and call live then. But I'm going to pool party, so go and keep on the notification. Come dance with me around there. May I wash up and go to that pool party. See me find piece of London and
Lady Gangster.
Warm down.
Queen Lady Gangster.
Crazy! Warm
Going on, Queen Lady Gangster.
Hello.
Queen.
Hello, darling. Warm baby.
You have me at work every minute. What you want lick me for? What you want
Wait.
lick me for? What you want lick me for?
Ah!
You mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Thank you, darling. Bless her. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you. Hey, but I like beautiful. Why? Well, and the sound then. Why? With it be top trending, top stream. Grab it, we got that super that girl sleep. You choose the wrong destiny. I pink hair never clean. Dirty bungo. You know, so I not like nobody like feeling us stupid. But Latus, my love you. Latus said, my love Queenie ever sit with
Nothing more than when the week up in the ear that Latus and what you doing now. I just use she and the wig. Oh God.
No, it's every sister the beginning, man. But so the fuck is doing that, man. Hey, quick reflex, you know. And some know me a bad girl, you know. Because she has my dash on the wig and the mic, me said, so now I said, come with that.
Come.
I said, remember all the grammar, I said, no, Queenie, you can't send out that to the world, girl. I'm just say, we put the clean. Hey, stick sweet your fuck. With that lie. That was entertainment. I might look like one fool, but she make it. Because if me never have she for compete with me and trouble me to the nice. So. Yeah, man. Yes, man. She keep up her thing, man. If I ever talk for crazy.
She stayed on character, yeah.
Yeah, man.
She's too much. She said crazy and she come right through. You said crazy, you know.
Yeah.
She's funny, man.
Yeah, me ask her, are you crazy?
She's a fan.
How you?
Her.
Yeah. My love, I'm married, man. But I'm afraid of her. Shut the fuck up. I'm married, fool your fuck. I'm so pity her come and say, me must be horrible to this woman. I'm not horrible.
Yeah, now we're good to sit down and vex and kiss her teeth.
I want to
sit down good for what a good 1 minute.
I want to say my crown girl pause. I'm say God bless you, Queenie. That's good enough. So I'm going to pick out the best thing out of her. She could have chat me all day. But don't business with you, Amari. I love you, see you way. And that's why I never make things get out of hand, because it could get out of hand. But I don't have no grudge against Amari. I don't say Amari has no competition to me for me and I even fight time for my road to her. No, sir. Me do my little mustard, say my little fuck about. I don't make Amari take up my time. It's not that deep, girl. Then everything she said, it fall back down for her. The way she show off for me. I said she get the whole of her money and she show off and she go on and I'm saying, look how she go on. Then after that ball, no mind you, I'm alright. But whenever I'm on my left breast, say what? Yeah, man, she keep up her page, man. No fuck with her, man. I went to her lingerie with you.
Oh, God.
I said, what shot, girl? I shot, girl, and I fuck with her, no. Shot. She have a whole heap of wigs.
She have fits, you know. She have fits.
She have a whole heap of wigs. She have a whole heap of clothes. Eyeglass. Shot, girl. Me not got time for you, girl. If you take a whole of my little energy, leave me alone. Stay in a year late. Yeah, that's done. Dirty bungo. Yes, sir. Dirty bungo. What we say? Grab a wig and drop it by that girl sleep. You choose the wrong destiny. No, you know it's dirty bungo. That's what I say. You choose the wrong destiny. Our pink hair never clean. Dirty bungo. You know, see me at plus.
Hey man, that's the reason I would fight the queen.
But they want to sing one song. I want to sing one wicked song for clap back at me. As this a talent show now.
That's what I like.
As this a talent show. Sing back something from myself.
No, you want something nice.
Well, you say one man to hear goodie, and that's good. You say one man to hear goodie, but a girl has to put in dough. We should have some girl has something put in for true. That's what I see it, man. Long time I not get none of that. Oh, come and eat me.
Right?
But I never do big shot. I can't get back out. Remember when I never married? You remember when I never married? How many outside how much money used to come from my life and chat all side? I'm a turn married idiot. No, yeah.
You're married now.
You see me? You ever see me on the poor boy them when I tell him, say, come and I'm going to get some girl. And put them from my life. Then them did I walk around this, so. Yeah, man, everybody fun at Queenie. I appreciate Queenie and them one way. Man, nice. More left for the, you know. 1 minute away in the sweet. But so now sugar, honey, or now molasses. Come on, take it. I saw no shell I did, and I come from Jamaica the morning. I jump in the bed and I said, come, see me now, take it. I'm sure sugar. Oh, God. But see me take it, for joking up. I mean, I said, look for my pitney. Oh, God. God. I mean, I get it to tell you, sister. So come, see me come back here now. I'm a pretty dead girl, everybody. You know what? But I like how she writes in her book, says she want my career for blow up in the mic.
Wow.
But telling about the blue book how much in time. The little girl writes that she want my career blow up. She set up that street, see. I should not set up, she give us a sweet tooth craving idea, you know. Yeah. And the first time the day when me and Popcorn cause the 28th of January last, August, correction. That's on the second day.
In the park, that's when you guys.
In the park. I remember on the pink top, I said, I went back to Popcorn and she said, Mom, you wear me logo, I said, permission, leave me alone, I promote. Hey, I guess I'm a little about energy at it. You know, we're playing a Dexter Dax song. You say, me listen back to it, and I say, I know my word, pick it forward when you listen in the background. And Dexter Dax are playing it. I'm a old gangly. I remember Dexter Dax draw me out, turn me an artist. I turn me an artist, you know. Dexter, you know, miss me. Dexter, Bombo Clad, Dexter Dax. I'm a dopes man. He could have never called back to me for him reach out to me and say, first and foremost, my condolence to your daughter.
Yeah, that was really nice.
Oh, God, so what? You want to hear me like, and I said it, shut up, Queenie. Listen, the man, I said, I'm not even here half away, man, say. And then him say, Mama, I love you. I'm proud of you. Mama, not change to nobody. Dexter, that tell me that? Oh, God, man, big up yourself, Dexter, far, near, and away there, man. Big up yourself, brother. And I like how you never promote me. Big up yourself. All right, we're going to go pool party. I now saw them at chat, myself. So I'm going to end this. Alright, okay, then the tune in. Go and take a coffee break. Who want to eat popcorn? Who want to make one noodle? Who want to drink a cup of coffee? Queen nice to see. I'm going to mama over myself. Tasha. Rustra. And just her son spell?
No, fuck you.
Hey, whoever done set? You want to spell all one 3-letter word and you don't remember what spell?
Valiance. You are the only one.
Valiant done, him don't done, him just said that's him style.
But say him say done. Me not say him done, but him say done on me.
But tell them, say to the man who say, him a thief, him a scammer, sit like that, I will say.
Thief. Chop me and chop him.
I chop him, I chop. Me say, the man for look for the summer, me say, I'm not a thief, I'm a shoplifter. I'll put it back with it.
Right?
Kind of to the body now.
Soundbite for soundbite.
Yeah, just say, I'm not a thief and a shoplifter. And the man say, I'm not a thief, I chop the line. Jamaica people fool.
Maybe for the one who say, I hate as a person, I prefer you as a junker.
I don't like you as a person. I hate you as a person, but prefer you as a junker. And that body don't like.
Oh my God.
And the white people that love Jamaica, I say.
I chew them there, -9 right now, Florida. The whole of them pack up.
The whole of them place cold.
Right?
They don't know when come to get me for and go back up there. No fuck off England. May I hide from or not?
Yeah, don't
cool
chase
down.
away the Londoners. We love the Londoners.
I really love you lot, but you know what? I have to
Yeah,
hide from you for a bit. You know what I mean?
taking the piss out of the
You
Queen.
get me though, fam? Blood, I'm enjoying having fun in the sun, fam. I'm in the yellow side, fam. Right now, it's all about the gray for me, okay? I'm already gray on my front.
Oh my God.
Hey, man, can't do me, buddy.
You just don't say not talk to no more call.
We not talk to no more call. You're mad. One man get me for talk to call. I was like, yeah, man.
Hey. Now you just need a farm. You gotta put it farm for yourself. That's
I'm cough and piss.
New style. Cough and piss.
Cough and piss. I said, cough and piss. Cough me a cough till me piss. Cough and piss me a cough and piss. Cough me a cough till me piss.
Oh God.
Cough and piss me a cough and piss. Cough me a cough and piss. Cough me a cough till me piss. Cough and piss. Cough and piss.
Wait, the poetry.
The poetry.
Yeah. You said the little dog laughed to see such fun, but we just a cough and a piss.
The little dog laughed to see some a piss. I will cough and a cough.
Oh, piss.
No. When I went with me, I make on 2 years ago, man. Bumba pussy clot. Right. What?
Oh, forget no, where they are picking
Remember they have VIP.
True, where they are picking some
Bumba pussy clot. Ras bumba clot. We are one nation. Come from Black Star Liner. Black Star Liner. Out of Africa. You don't remember it?
You can find a beat there.
We need to find it.
That was a fuckery though.
I know fucker made this, you know.
Like things so nice like one time.
Some of them fake and bad mind. Can't tell I wait for a long time. Oh Lord, if I wait for the sunshine. Hey, you can take my June plum. And the world wants you to do some. You can take my June plum. Do it!
Basketball wisdom. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Those days were so fun.
Those days was fun for sure. We had some good times.
We didn't love the fuck.
Papa cock it to the brook. You poop fat like the weed, Bobby truck. Baby, are you be wild fuck?
You do, bro. Stay up your God.
Queenie love the fuck. Wine by your cock it.
Why? 4 o'clock in the morning studio, man.
I true, man. I whole in the studio with you now.
Holy power, we be smoking up. Oh my God, best COVID ever. When them lucky.
Hey, Jesus Christ, I'm going to start my life. I have a request. I need to meet the Prime Minister. That is the next
only
thing.
him living after that, you see that you don't even meet nobody else.
Yeah.
Bro, God, wait a second. Give me a bus for the new year now. We just want a handshake. You want a dub? Where you go?
Remember, some of the dub for labor right now. I'm a PMP. Some of sell out PMP for them. But me and another them, I both come my queen. So realistically, Bob, what's your name? Bob's the green.
The most honorable Babsy.
The most, the MOST, honorable Babsy Grange. Blessed love to Babsy.
I have to show respect to
the
nice
great,
lady.
nice
Right.
girl power, honorable Babsy with that nice clean fat pussy.
Hey.
It means that the pussy power for you because they don't want you to say, society don't want you to say pussy. And it's so weird that pussy bring us all here. Pussy bring life.
Big up Munchie, big up my auntie.
Your auntie the bandits?
No, I'm gonna say, there we go.
Auntie Munchie, Mike,
Greetings
auntie.
across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world.
Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world.
Yeah, JN promo. JN, we need to put the Queen for a promo for next Christmas.
Like who names her?
Jamaica National. They usually do
JN.
promo for greetings across the world.
Greetings from Queenie and Michael Music Morning.
Jingles, yeah.
He's a tour guide. He take you all over Jamaica.
Yeah.
The secrets, the hot spots, the light spots, the dark spots. He know that this music.
Your dark spots.
Tell him.
Yeah.
Darkness. And after the darkness, there becomes a light. So after storm, there must be a calm. See it. That why the thing is so calm. So much storm. So much calm now. Corn.
Can't stop for too long. You know?
The onion.
Winners don't cry for long.
I'll be an onion, man.
We just start a new race.
I'm on it. On it.
Only.
It's about
Mind if I stroke you up?
don't mind.
Mind if I stroke you down?
Don't mind. Oh, baby. I want you to come and taste my nipples. You don't mind I give you tips. You don't mind I give you nipples.
Oh, God.
Come and lick between my breasts.
Oh, my Lord.
Bumbo class.
Yeah,
What time now? I fuck that Friday.
is it for that Friday?
Is it late after night? How is this? It's after night.
How is it in London? Are the Londoners still there? Wake up! Wake up, you wankers, and let me know what time it is. Is it time?
Are you flicking the beans? Anyone in the bed flicking the beans?
Not flicking your
That's
bean.
not flicking. You're your bean in them. Flick your beans. So yes, to yourself.
Not choking the chicken.
No, that's not a fucking chicken down there. It's a beer.
Is that what the ladies do?
I am
done. Give me my lighter and stop that.
Oh, I ain't let her play.
Yeah, but why not myself?
I ain't real boy. I get the car. Johnson, baby.
Not Johnson's.
But these are prison.
Or some KY. You're prison.
But since a white girl tell me about it in our prison, say, I'm gangster. I've been flipping the beam. Someone say I want him, sir. So them tell me no that.
Is that Kiara?
Another night, bean.
Oh, bean, like with an N.
Bean, yeah.
Dead.
Bean.
I thought it was a bean.
No, flick your bean. So, another night, no, in the room, no.
Is that the clitoris?
The clit, yeah.
Dead.
Well, white people call it bean.
I'm
Flick your
fucking
bean, them not say flick your clit.
weak.
So when they tell me the night, me in the room, and me rub, and it can't do.
It can't be.
So me wake up.
Joe, I mean,
What?
let me get up in now.
So this is 2006, So I wake up the morning and I go to my meeting with Nella. I said, Nella, one night me rub for 6 hours, nothing now come. Nella said, Jamaican. I love Nella. Nella said, Jamaican, you have to constantly rub it in the O.
Oh.
Just constantly rub, bro. You want to see me light up, see me rub, oh. You see me get the little come, oh my God. What's it take long? I'm tired. Me couldn't do that fuck.
That lesson was brought to you by the letter
Oh.
O. The letter O. Stop reading. Can I read?
Eh?
You see, I read. No, anything you have the letter there, you're freeze. No,
I read.
I read the one.
Yeah, the little flip beat something. Yeah, man. I'm going to do it. Say, I get up when I get the cup. Run after 3 in the morning. I feel good. But it takes too much energy. I don't have no time for that. I like the vibrator now.
Oh, no.
What?
Buzz, like the bee. Buzz, I love the buzz.
I don't like it. I don't like the way body something there.
You want a dildo?
No, I don't like it.
You don't like the pushy?
No, sir. I'm not put that rubber in me. I don't like that. I feel that full. This big rubber blood clot body.
I use a meat.
This big rubber body. No, sir. For that.
Somebody you need something for,
I don't want nothing inside of me. No. Me go and boom the clit.
Chicks are so different. Y'all are so weird.
It's that weird, right? What kind of substitute may I go get?
But you say they in a prison.
Yeah, I'm be my friend.
What's supposed to do?
No, I'm going to do those. You know, some of the sex crazy, sex man, no.
You like affection and intimate.
I like affection
You like
and
kiss up and rub up.
yeah, romance and them something there. Yeah, me like that. Yeah.
Come on, I'm romantic.
So yeah, me romantic. So if me not get no sex, me just remember when me get last year and just it's
boring,
crazy.
fam.
No, it's not boring.
Yes, fun. You know, Masha works on Sunday,
No,
Masha
sir.
works on Wednesday.
The car bash works. It's a come right back probably, trust me. Dog, it's even my eye and fuck.
No,
Man,
I mean,
telling
I
them I'm
don't
premium.
I mean,
I'm gonna text somebody then.
No. I mean, saying when you're just generally in a healthy relationship, depending generally, not even as per your marriage, just in a general sense.
Yeah.
You know, fuck all week. You know, cook dinner, come home and get the things in. If I really having some knowing, there must have been something that you were doing.
What do you mean?
If I opinion have.
Yeah.
So all the sex is you never have holy pipe.
Of course.
Okay.
No, I mean, I say right now.
Right now, it's just different for you now.
And I don't just know, just in regular, I have a partner. Remember when I tell me there with my beer father, and I just feel it when man just a fuck you and act like I think it's abuse. But I always think so. There's some weird what them do. And
some people like Ramon.
Yeah, but me I tell them I speak for me.
Yeah.
I speak for me.
You don't wanna.
So when I was younger, I never found sex intriguing. So me that a 6 million. Me take it time, I get it, my back it in every angle and whatever my mind tell me for do, I do the style. But if you're not there, it's not my problem. My dignity and my sanity is more important to me. Like me there, I can pour the show off and say, one man to my good when I want, but I still feel good, so I'm not running. You understand? So I still have something for back. Yeah. Anyway, I got a pool party later. I'm going to take care because I'm not so